All right, y'all. So that was the tour. And it also is going to help us when we're looking for furniture. If this is what we choose, and from wall to wall, those swings would fit perfectly out there if we decide to go. But we don't know. Oh, let me get the bathroom, y'all, because y'all know that our place didn't have power. Hopefully it comes with, that'll be cute. We won't have to buy one. No, it didn't. This is what the bathroom came with. Just a standard. Big enough for me and Bella to be in there together. Yeah, definitely a way bigger bathroom than Long Street, y'all. Ain't got a bathroom. Bella gonna be like, what? I don't fit. He be pouting at the door. All right, y'all. So we're about to check out and head to the next place, 16 on Bree, which is the original dream home for us. So let's go see what they have to offer. Stay tuned.